everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show where I eat something spicy, you just kind of like lay there, take it all in. So don't worry, you don't have to eat this. I'm eating this for you. For you. Today we have a dry version of the Devil of Fire. This is from South Korea. This will be a little bit like the bulldog. Looks pretty beefy. And here's how it looks prepared. That's how it looks prepared. I'm gonna need some child help to do the, to get started with this. And I gotta have my obligatory chug. Alright. Oh, children! Hey, how you doing? You guys dying to get back to school? Yeah.
My nose was hurting a lot because I took the red medicine and I drank it.
What?
I drank the red medicine for my nose to feel much better.
Oh.
It's from my nose.
Is your nose bugging you? No? Good. Good. The red medicine, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, that's Tylenol. Alright, here we are. Alright, so I need you guys both at the same time give me a really big, loud, ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go! Ready, set, go!
Okay, cool.
Ready, set, go!
Thank you very much. Definitely it's definitely habanero. Definitely. Well, I will say that the King of Hell is far spicier than the Devil of Fire. Oh, it's still could creep up on me. I don't know, it could be that I've gotten that much tolerance from having that other one yesterday. I don't think so, though. This is really not killing me yet. Yeah, the ones with broth, those are much harder. Especially when you chug the broth at the end and lay it down on a big bed of seething hot noodles. Ugh. The flavor is good. I don't know about the habanero aspect with the flavor. It's almost like it would be better if they used pepper extract, honestly. The habanero's flavor seems almost out of place. And their claim of it being spiciest in the world, no. Most certainly no. Man, I thought the Devil of Fire soup one really did me in. Maybe it didn't. Well, this one's easy. Done. Waiting. It's got a burn, but my nose isn't running. I'm not running for a drink. It's good. That actually, it tasted good except for the habanero aspect. Just seems so out of place. Devil of Fire, tamed once again. You wussy Devil of Fire. Wah, wah. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans, and this has been...
This dot over here on my arm.
What about your... You're becoming quite the hypochondriac in your old age, sweetie.
My name is Smile.
All right, this has been...
Smile.
And this has been...
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Happy day.
Have a good one.
Bye.